Okay, exercise 8.2, problem 5, discussion. The radii of two right circular cylinders are in the ratio of 2:3. Find the ratio of their volumes if their heights are in the ratio 5:3. Okay, let's mark what is given in the problem. The radii of circular cylinder is in the ratio of 2:3. So 2y and 3y. Okay, then find the ratio if their heights. Okay, heights are in the ratio of 5:3. 5z and 3z. Okay, I think that's all. So let's write it out. R1 is to R2 equal to 2:3. That is, R1 is the radius of the first cylinder, R2 is the radius of the second cylinder, is 2:3. Similarly, H1 is the height of the first cylinder, H2 is the height of the second cylinder. H1 is to H2 equal to 5:3. Okay. So what are we asked to calculate? Find the ratio of their volumes. Okay. We are asked to calculate V1 is to V2. So the formula is simple, V equal to pi r square H. So what you have to do is, we'll have to convert these ratios and substitute those values here, and you'll be able to get the value of the ratio. Okay, let me put the steps out for you. So let R1 be 2y and R2 be 3y, because the ratio is 2:3, so let it be 2y and 3y. Similarly, H1, height of the first cylinder, be 5z, and H2, the height of the second cylinder, be 3z. Okay, and the two volumes be V1 and V2. Substitute the value of R1, which is 2y, and H1, which is 5z, in this formula V equal to pi r square H, and calculate V1. Don't simplify, just keep it there as it is. Then substitute the values of R2, which is 3y, and H2, which is 3z, in V equal to pi r square H, and calculate V2. Then divide V1 by V2 and get the volume ratio. It's quite simple. All you need to do is that write the ratios in terms of y for radius and in terms of z for height, and substitute these values, get V1 and V2, divide V1 by V2 to get the volume ratio. Okay, now pause the video and try to do this problem on your own, and after doing, come back and look at the solution. Get a solution. R1 is to R2 equal to 2:3, H1 is to H2 is 5:3. So let R1 equal to 2y, R2 equal to 3y, H1 equal to 5z, H2 equal to 3z, and the two volumes be V1 and V2. Volume of the cylinder is V equal to pi r square H. So V1 will be equal to, that is, the volume of the first cylinder will be pi into R, that is the radius of the first cylinder, R1, that is 2y into 2y, into H1, which is 5z. Okay, then V2, volume of the second cylinder, will be pi into radius of the second cylinder, which is R2, 3y, in 3y into 3y, into height H2 of the second cylinder, which is 3z. Now dividing 1 by 2, we'll get V1 by V2. V1 by V2 will be equal to this whole lot divided by this whole lot. So you'll be able to see pi and pi gets cancelled. This y will get cancelled. These two y will get cancelled. This z also will get cancelled. So you'll be left with 2 into 2 into 5 divided by 3 into 3 into 3. That is 4. 4 into 5, 20. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Thus the ratio of the volumes will be 20:27. Okay, I hope you got the problem correct. If not, see where you have gone wrong and correct it. And if you have not understood the problem, please go back to the discussion part of the video and try to understand the steps and try again. Thanks for watching this video.